This is Bill and Deb North of the Florida Weekend Warriors, and in this video, we are at Lake Livingston State Park in Texas. It's about an hour northeast of Houston. We're going to show you the campground and then show you some of the other amenities in the park. It's really a beautiful park. The park has phenomenal sunsets. And of course, if you're in Texas, you got to have some Shiner Bock beer. Here's our site, number 42. It's got full hookups. We've got an awesome concrete pad. It's angled for easy back in. We got a picnic table here. See, we got a fire going. Didn't take a video the first night we got here because it was super cloudy and kind of yucky. We got a lantern holder. Nice private site. There's a trail in the woods back in there. You occasionally see people back in the woods. And over here we've got 30 amp and 50 amp. The sewer is in that box. I had no idea what it was until Debbie showed me. I didn't think we had sewer, but we do. So
just sitting here relaxing. What a difference from yesterday to today. Yesterday you couldn't even sit here, it was blowing so hard.
Just beautiful.
It's beautiful out here.
Kids are kayaking. Crows are crowing.
And the fog or the smoke or whatever it was is lifted. It's not as bad as it was this
Yeah,
morning.
there's a bunch of fog and smoke this morning. There's where you rent all the kayaks. Self-service. Self-serve paddleboard and kayak rentals. Reserve at paddleez.com. I wonder how much they are. There's some people out there on the lake using them.
Maybe if the wind lies down tomorrow, we'll do that.
I wonder. Must be just, it's probably just the honor system. People pay. There's all the kayaks over there. The wind's supposed to die down tomorrow. I'm not sure why there's this big gated fence. This is the common area. There's a trail from our loop over to this section. There's a playground over there. This peninsula sticks out into the lake. It's really just a whole bunch of picnic tables. It's a beautiful spot. Some kind of meeting area. So there's bathrooms in here. So in here's some bathrooms.
Walk out there.
People, awesome place to just sit over there and sit in the sun and have a picnic. They're flying a kite. Look at that huge grill over there. It's huge. The wind. It's an emergency pole. Beautiful homes. That must be for swimming because there's stairs down into the water. Here's the boat ramp at Lake Livingston State Park. 2 boats on the trailer.
Pretty windy today.
Pretty windy to go out in the boat today. It's a fish cleaning table right over there. And
Steep boat ramp.
holy crap, yeah. What does this say? Stop. What does it say?
Invasive species.
Stop invasive.
Clean your
Clean and
trailer.
drain your boat. Somebody left their electric fillet knife up on the table. The water's pretty dirty.
Maybe just because it's so windy?
I don't know. Those are not floating docks, so the water level must stay stable in this lake. Probably dam controlled. These are the cabins at Lake Livingston. Here's one that was available. It was unlocked. Go inside, check it out.
up in the loft.
Really? Oh wow. Go up there. Is there mattresses up there? See what's up there.
I'm gonna go up there.
It's a picnic table down here. And you get fire pit, another picnic table down there. There's water.
No mattresses, it's just a loft.
So that's it?
Yeah.
So you bring your own bedding?
Still
I guess
cool.
just get the breeze off the lake. It's a pretty cool little place. Fire extinguisher. Some beautiful homes on this lake. Across the lake is the other boat ramp. There's also a little marina there, a camp store, and an observation platform. We didn't go inside the camp store, but it looked very nice. But we did go up and see the observation tower, which was pretty cool. We're here at the camp store. Gonna climb the tower. Store's right here. It's not so windy today. It's a beautiful day though. What do you think about this park, Jen?
It's very, very pretty.
Yeah. Some beautiful homes on this lake. There's a squirrel all the way up here. I saw him run up here. Where is he? Where'd he go? He's hiding. There's a bird. Where'd he go? Wow, you see him?
Yeah, he was right here.
Oh, there he is. You see really good up here. What if they rent fishing poles here? 2 poles per person. There's a fish cleaning, screened in fish cleaning table in there. This is the sunset at Lake Livingston State Park. It's just gorgeous. Beautiful day on the lake. And the noise you hear is a guy revving his motor in the background across the way. We would definitely come back here. This is a great park. There's a restaurant on the lake, but it's only open on the weekends for lunch, and we went down there on a Thursday, so they didn't open till 4 o'clock. But it looked like a super cool restaurant, had really good reviews. It was right on the lake. So we didn't make it this time. If we ever come back, we'll make sure we get there. And we hope you like this video. Please leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, and we will see you on our next adventure.
See ya.